And staying on the track, Edwin middle distance athlete Kevin Gay Fowler has set herself lofty targets for Champs 2026, including winning double gold in Class 2. Fowler defeated a quality field to win the Class 2 girls 800 meters at the recent Camperdown Classic held at the Ashenheim Stadium at Jamaica College. Fowler, who was third in the event in Class 2 at Champs 2025, clocked 2 minutes 11.83 seconds to win the event, ahead of last year's Champs winner Alikay Reynolds of Alphonsus Davis 2 minutes 13.41, and Tarbell Williams, also of Alphonsus Davis, 2 minutes 14.38. Fowler says the win has given her the confidence she needs going forward.
90% of confidence because I still have a lot to do. I still need to fix my hands at the finishing, so 90% confidence. I want to go out there, put out all the effort and do exactly what I do at training. So I just want to go out there and do.
And as for Champs, the returning Class 2 athlete has only one color medal in mind.
Yes, I'm looking forward for a gold medal in the 800 and a gold in the 1500 this year.
All right, Kevin.
And the Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Athletics Championships is set for March 24 to 28 at the National Stadium.